Hi all, welcome to my another video. So in this video we will check how to add an item to lookup field. So to lookup field, is suppose here you can see title, age, experience, and here department is a lookup field. So if we go to our list settings, here you can see under list settings, department is a lookup field. So once we click on the department, here you can see we provided the department to a lookup field like department. So the list informations we are getting from a department list. So if we go to our department list, here you can see the departments like finance, IT, HR, and we have provided those details. So let us start how we can update this department field for a new record. So we will check that. So for that we have to move to our page. So in the employee page, here what we are planning is like once we click on the add button, the new item will get added to our employee list. So let us flip to our Visual Studio. So in our Visual Studio code we have written an HTML. So in our HTML we have a link to employee.js file and employee.css file, and we have added one button and we have provided click to add item to list function. So in our add item to list functionality we have written how to add an item, the code which we used. So now we will provide all the information. So it's a post request, we have to update our data here. So we will provide one by one. So title we will provide, then what's the next parameter? Age. So age we will provide here, age 28. Then we will provide experience. So experience we provide like 9 years. So now the final thing, so how we can update the lookup field. So in this case department is the lookup. So if we go to our department, we have to provide department ID to update a lookup field. So how we can do? So what is the column name? We will append ID to that. So in this case we will provide the department column name plus ID. Then we have to provide here ID. So how we can provide the ID? If we go to our department list, here you can see we have title like finance, the ID is 1, IT ID is 2, HR ID is 3. Suppose if we want to provide as a finance, we have to provide the ID as 1. So now we will give ID as 1 here. Now we will save and we will check. So here in the success function we will provide one message added. So now we will move to our employee page and we will refresh here. Then we will click on the add button. So once we click on the add button, we will get the message added. Now we will go to our department, our employee list. So in our employee list, here you can see it successfully added David and the age, experience, and the department finance, which we provided now. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.